Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to find Swift code of Citibank. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to find Swift code, first what you need to do is understand what Swift code is. A Swift code, also called BIC, is a unique international bank identifier used when sending or receiving money abroad. It tells the global bank network exactly which bank and location to send funds to. Now, in order to find the Swift code of the Citibank, the first thing that you can do is simply head over and open up your browser. Then on the search bar, simply type in Citibank Swift code. Then once you do that, what you need to do is just simply tap on the first link that is shown to you, which is the Citibank site. Now, once you're inside, all you gotta do is scroll all the way down, and here you'll find the Swift code of the Citibank, which is CIBLDDH. This is your bank's Swift code. You may also see a shorter form, a longer form like CIBLDDH XXX 11 character version, which includes the branch code, meaning the head office or main branch. You can also use your app or simply head over and open up your login photo or Citibank in your browser, and then on the search bar type in Citibank Bangladesh login. And once that's done, what you need to do is simply tap on the first link that is shown to you. And once you're inside here, what you need to do is just simply head over and enter in your user ID, then your password, and then tap on login. Then once you're logged in into your Citiworld's bank app or internet banking, what you need to do is just simply search for international transfers, wire transfer, bank details or account info. By simply tapping on the profile icon on the top right, you find an option that says account info, and many banks list your Swift code or BIC there. If that doesn't work, you can simply contact Citibank directly by asking customer support or your branch to confirm the correct Swift code for your specific type of transfer, and some branches may have a branch specific Swift code beyond the main one. Always confirm the exact Swift code with your recipient or bank before initiating an international transfer, especially if it's going to be a specific city branch. Some branches use variation of the main code. You'll also need the recipient's full account number and name when sending money internationally. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.